What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego pocket knife. So I saw a video on YouTube and I'm recording on my phone, so it's hard because you can see my only hand. So let's get building. First you have to take this thing, if you can see this, and this thing you can see right here. So this red piece, yeah. So this is gonna be the base of the body, and then grab this, and right, a green plate. You can do like by 6, but I don't like this thing. No, and then place it in like this. Oh yeah. I forgot, so this has to be in. I have an error, but so put this stud, black stud, in here, yeah. Then grab a 4x4 snot piece, this thing, and put it right there. Then grab this one right on the side, this tile. Also put it on the side. Then put this around 6 piece. Put it on the inside, on the second piece. That. So the reason why we have to keep this piece in, because well, this is also, so it's a 5x5, and also, okay. And then the last piece goes up here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye. Wait. Show you this. A trick. Yeah. So this is how you, and this is the Lego knife. Goodbye, subscribe and like for another video. Also, I do videos monthly, so if you guys subscribe, I will be happy and build more games, build more these like knives. Goodbye.